With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is evaluate limit x tends to 0, 10, pi sine square x plus mod x minus sine x greatest integer of x whole square divided by x square. So we have a function limit x tends to 0, 10 pi sine square x upon x square plus limit x tends to 0, mod of x minus sine x greatest integer of x whole square upon x square. And we know that if limit x tends to 0, if we have sin x upon x, that is equals to 1, and limit x tends to 0, 10x upon x is also equals to 1. And as we can see here, we have theta is equals to pi sine square x. So that means we need to multiply it and divide it by pi sine square x so that this will become equal to 1. So let's do multiply pi sine square x and divide it by pi sine square x. So this will become 10 pi sine square x upon x square, and this is pi sine square x divided by pi sine square x. So this will become this term, and this term will become equal to 1, and we know that sine x upon x is also equals to 1. That means sine square x and this x square will also become 1. So that means we have limit x tends to 0. Here we have this pi, and in denominator we will have nothing. And now for this side, we know that this is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that means this will be limit x tends to 0, mod x whole square plus sine square x greatest integer of x minus 2 times of mod x and sine x greatest integer of x and divided by x square. So this will become this. So now we know that pi is constant, so this will be pi plus. Now separate these terms, so this will become limit x tends to 0, x square upon x square plus sine square x greatest integer of x divided by x square minus 2 times of mod x sine x greatest integer of x divided by x square. Now that is, now let's find right hand limit. So right hand limit will be x tends to 0 plus, that means 0.000000 and 1. So greatest integer of 0 point something will be 0, and mod x will be positive, that means x. So that is pi plus, so this term will be 1 plus we know that sine 0 is 0, so this term will become 0 minus 2 times of this sine, which is also 0. So this will become pi plus 1. Now let's find right hand limit we have found, which is pi plus 1. Now let's find left hand limit. So we know that left hand limit is x tends to 0 minus. So greatest integer of x will be minus 1 and mod x will be minus of x. Now so this is pi and x square upon x square, which is 1. So this is constant, so this will be pi plus 1 and plus limit x tends to 0 minus, and here we have sine square x and greatest integer of x is minus 1 upon x square minus 2 times of mod of x, which is minus x, sine x, greatest integer of x is minus 1 upon x square. So we know that if limit x tends to 0, so sine x upon x, or limit x tends to 0 is equals to 1. If this square of sine x and denominator is also in square, so this will also be equal to 1. So that means this term here, sine square minus x upon x square, if we are squaring, so this will become, we know that sine minus x is equals to minus of sine x, but sine of minus x whole square is equals to sine square x. So that means this quantity, this value will be equal to 1, and also here we have sine x upon x square, and this will cancel out. So this is also sine x upon x. That means this will also be equal to 1. So that means pi plus 1. If we putting 0, so this will be minus of 2, because here it is 2 times, and plus 1. So that is equals to pi. Now we clearly see that RHL, which is pi plus 1, RHL, which is pi plus 1, not equal to left hand limit, which is pi. So RHL is not equal to left hand limit. That means the limit does not exist. So that means the answer is option D, does not exist. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.